AI documentary channels often generate millions of views, earning thousands in revenue. In this tutorial video, we will create a documentary channel from scratch using free AI tools. It doesn't require you to be in front of the camera or even use your voice. After exploring YouTube, I noticed that documentary videos are becoming quite popular. Look at this channel. It has earned over $40,000 from documentary videos. If we take a closer look, they started uploading only about a year ago. Generally speaking, their videos get millions of views, so this niche still has lots of potential. Today, I will share a step-by-step tutorial to create such videos and grow your YouTube channel quickly. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to create a YouTube channel. If you are not familiar with creating a professional-looking channel, watch this video. I will put the link in the description. Before creating your channel, choose the sector you want to work in, because documentaries are a vast niche. You should choose a particular area. We can use ChatGPT to generate some ideas. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with a list of different aspects that you can document on your YouTube channel. You will then receive a list of various topics to choose from, such as historical events, biographies, cultural traditions, scientific discoveries, and many more. It's crucial to select a topic that interests you. Alright, after creating the channel, we have to create engaging documentary videos. For example, I want to create a channel about historical conflicts. Now I am again asking ChatGPT for all the famous conflicts in world history. As you can see, ChatGPT provides all the famous conflicts in world history. So, now we can make videos on each of them, one by one. For example, I am starting with the Vietnam War. So now we have to write a script about the Vietnam War. Again, I will use ChatGPT to write the script. If I simply ask it to write a video script about the Vietnam War, ChatGPT will write a script for us. But the video won't be perfect and won't look like a documentary channel. However, if we write a perfect prompt like this, I will put the exact prompt in the description. If you need more prompt ideas, you can join our Telegram channel, where you will find more than 5,000 premium prompts for free. Alright, this is our script. Honestly, the script is just amazing. Now copy the script and keep it in a .com file. You can customize the script to make it more engaging, and it's highly recommended. Okay, our script is ready to use. Now we have to create the voiceover. You can record your own voice or generate a voiceover with any text-to-speech tool. I will use a free tool, TTS OpenAI, to generate the audio. You can also use ElevenLabs. To learn more about TTS OpenAI, watch this video from the I button. Alright, after creating an account with TTS OpenAI, copy the script and paste it into the TTS OpenAI script box. You can enter 3,000 characters at a time, so we may need several attempts to generate the full voiceover. Okay, our script is ready. Now we have to select the spokesperson or voice actor. On the right side, you will find the voice actor options. However, there are very few voice actors available here, only 6. Don't worry, there is another vast library of voice actors. Go to the System Voice tab, and from there you will find unlimited voice actors. Not only that, but you are also able to clone your own or any other voice. Unfortunately, this feature is only available for paid users. However, you only have to pay $8 to get access. Since I mentioned only the free version, I am skipping it this time. Alright, now we have to select the voice actor. Go to the Voice Library tab, listen to some of the voices, and then select the perfect one.
There he lay for the remainder of the weary night, nursing his wrath and wounded pride.
If you are searching for a particular voice, you can set filters at the top. First, select the gender. After that, choose the age of the voice actor, then the accents and languages. Once your filter is set, you will find related voice actors. Now, listen to some of them and select the best one. And there it is. The voiceover is ready.
In the heart of Southeast Asia, a small nation would become the stage for one of the longest and most brutal conflicts of...
Once the voiceover is generated, download it to your device. Using the same method, generate the voiceover for the full script. Now we have to edit the voiceover clips with any audio editor. I will use a free tool called Audacity. After inserting all the voiceover clips, place them in ascending order. After that, adjust the volume, add the required effects, and more. If you want to know more about audio editing, let me know in the comment section. I will make separate videos on it. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now we have to collect the visuals. You may have noticed that ChatGPT has provided visual suggestions in the script, and now we have to download visuals according to those suggestions. You can download royalty-free videos and images from websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and others. Take your time to download the visuals. I have downloaded these video clips and images to make my video. Alright, our voiceover and visual assets are ready. Now we have to compile them with a video editor. I will use the CapCut video editor. After importing all the visuals and the audio clip into CapCut, insert the audio clip into the timeline. Next, we have to add all the visual clips according to the voiceover. Listen to each part of the voiceover before choosing a clip for that segment. Add the selected clip to the timeline. Repeat this process for the entire timeline to make the video more engaging. Add transitions to each clip by going to the transition menu and selecting different transitions. Choose the transitions you like. There is no right way of choosing a transition, so go through them and select the ones that suit your taste. Let's add filters to the video. You can choose different filters and apply them to individual clips or all the clips at once. If you want your audience to easily follow your video, it is important to add subtitles. With CapCut, this is not a problem. Simply go to the text option, click on Auto Caption, select your preferred language, and then click on Create Caption. You can customize the look of your caption to suit your preferences. This makes the caption clearer, sharper, and easier for anyone to read on any device. It's important to get the final step right when adding background music to your videos. In my experience, choosing the right background music can make or break the video. In my video, I shifted the voiceover forward a bit to create a fade effect with the background music before the main voice kicks in. To add background music in CapCut, go to the Audio section and search for background music. You can listen to different options and choose the one that fits your video best. Additionally, you can download copyright-free music from various websites. For this video, I already have the background music I want to use, so I will just import it and bring it to the timeline. Always lower the music volume to avoid overpowering the main voice. Once everything is set, hit the export button. On the next page, set the video title and hit the export button. It will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward this part. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
In the heart of Southeast Asia, a small nation would become the stage for one of the longest and most brutal conflicts of the 20th century. The Vietnam War wasn't just a war fought between two nations. It was a battle of ideologies, communism against capitalism, East against West. Over the course of nearly 2 decades, this war would change the course of history, leaving a legacy of deep scars and unanswered questions. But how did a conflict in a faraway land draw the world's attention, tearing apart families and dividing nations? This is the story of the Vietnam War, its origins, its battles, and its lasting impact on the world. Stay with us as we dive into the untold stories and uncover the truths behind this devastating conflict. Chapter 1: The Roots of Conflict. To truly understand the Vietnam War, we must go back to the late 19th century, when Vietnam was under French colonial rule.
I think it's a great documentary video to start our journey. So, now you can create your own documentary channel with the help of AI. And most importantly, you don't need to spend a single buck. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating documentary videos with free AI tools. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.